It's a bit dusty just because from the workshop, but it's got new tyres. You alright then? Yeah. What are we up to today? Here we are at Leo's coffee repair shop.
And we are about to put the coffee machine on.
Yeah.
I'm going to buy a
50cc.
mini fridge with a tiny freezer in it. Do you want us to move those pipes?
Here comes the coffee machine.
Leave them there.
This is Leo and Luca from Gugliemo. No, did I pronounce
Guglielmo.
There you go.
You said it wrong.
Guglielmo. William.
Fitting the machine. Look at that.
Perfect.
Wow, that looks so real now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hope you make some money.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just making sure it's the right
So
kind of coffee.
these Fracino machines are made in England, right? They're Birmingham.
Birmingham.
That
Yeah.
seems good to me.
There we go, look at that.
That looks good, right?
That's perfect. I mean,
We can make it faster if you want to get, you know, the best of the best coffee. We can always make it faster in the future.
That's very good.
Okay. You get nice cream head on that,
great.
and you can drink that one.
No burning taste.
And when you can drink coffee without sugar, which I will now,
Yeah. There you go.
that means you like it.
We've just got to find a pitch now.